Hello, my dear friends. How are you? Hope you are fine. All good. So, today we are creating a beautiful Christmas table decoration using simple and natural materials, especially pine cones. These teeny treasure from nature can turn your ordinary table into a cozy festive centerpiece that look elegant and handmade. Whether you love rustic classic red and gold or minimalist white Christmas vibe, these pine cone decoration will make your table look magical. So let's get started with something creativity, specialty and Christmas sparkle. So you can use wooden tray, a glass plate or even a recycled cardboard piece covered with burlap or jute fabric. If you want a snowy look, add a soft layer of white cotton or artificial snow. These bases give you a decoration, a clean background and make everything elegant pop beautiful. As you know, when someone comes to your home, the dining table or if center tables, so it become eye catching. So here we can help you how to decorate your tables, your center table, your dining table. Next, let's add some natural touch. Place pine cone in the center of the base. Arrange them in cluster, big one in the middle, red similar one around. Add some green pine leaves or small twigs to fill the gap. If you have dried orange or cinnamon stick, tuck them between the pine cones. They bring wrath, fragrance and beautiful texture. You can also use mini red berries, ribbon or bells for festive pop of color and fragrance as your desire. No Christmas table is complete without a little sparkle. Place a few candles. White or red pillar candle looks stunning with pine cones, and we are already making up lots of tutorial in glass bottle and candle combination, so you can apply on this. To add elegance, you can use a glass jar or a mason jar filled with pine cones and fairy lights. Simple yet too beautiful. For fragrance, you can use dried mangoes, dried orange. Now let's add touch of DIY magic paint. A few pine cones in different color. White for snow, gold for luxury, black for Christmas spirit. Now it's time to arrange everything beautiful. Place your centerpiece right in the middle of your dining table or center table. Add similar pine cone clustered on each side or place one decorated pine cone on each plate as a cute guest welcome piece. If you have a long table, create running line of pine cones and lights down the center like a glowing Christmas runner. For a cozy touch, add cloth napkin tied with jute string and a mini pine cone, simple and heartwarming. We are already making lots of DIY projects, which is glass jar, mason jar, trees, that all apply. You can in our room center tables. Every little piece you make carries your creativity, your peace and your love for the season. So enjoy the process, let your imagination shine.